Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to use hidden tags for SEO in Hostinger website builder. I am inside my Hostinger website builder, and let's first create an empty page to make things easier for us. This is an empty page. Now let's add a blank section. Now let's add a text element. Let's duplicate it first. These are to make this blank page a little bit longer, use this section height tool. And now let's start to use how to use for any page. It's better for in any page for better SEO purposes and also human reading. Your first title should be a heading number 1. You should only use heading number 1. Let's make it H1 title. Then below it you can use an H2 title. H2. Now you can use another H2 just like that. Heading 2. Let's make sure this is a heading 2. And under a heading 2, you should use a heading 3. This is heading 3. Same thing here, heading 3. And if you want to use a heading 2, it should not be under another heading 2. It should be below a heading 2, just like that. And let's delete this one. To have a heading 4, let's say we have a heading 4. It should be below or inside a heading 3. This is how to use. To recap, your page should have a 1H1 title to not confuse search engine, and below H1 you can use multiple H2 titles, and below any H2 you can use H3 and go on. And this is how to use hidden tags for SEO in Hostinger website builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.